Changing the probe on the roller form requires disassembly of the tire and wheel. Two tools are required, an Allen wrench and a retaining clip remover. Remove the probe orientation indicator. Remove two Allen screws. Turn the assembly over and remove the other two Allen screws. And remove the tire and wheel assembly from the scanner. Remove the bushing. Using the retaining clip removal tool, remove the retaining clip and pull the probe free from the tire and wheel assembly. Insert the new probe back into the tire and wheel assembly. Reinstall the retaining clip. Reinstall the bushing. Replace the Allen screws. Reinstall the Allen screws on the other side.